डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 15 स्टैटिस्टिक्स लेक्चर नंबर 3. Today's first topic is variance. Suppose if x1, x2, x3 up to xn be observations of the data, then for variance we follow some steps. Step 1, find mean of the observation. Step 2, find xi minus x bar whole square. X bar is mean. Step 3, variance. The formula of variance is summation of xi minus mean whole square by n, where n is the number of observation. Another method or formula for variance is summation of xi square by n minus mean square. Also, mean is summation of xi by n. Summation of xi means sum of all observations by number of observation. So the variance, another formula of variance is become summation of xi square by n minus summation of xi by n whole square. Example 1, find the variance for the following data. Datas are given. Step 1, we find mean. Mean is equal to, we know that, summation of observation by number of observations. Summation of observations means 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. After simplify, mean is we get 9. Step 2, we find xi minus x bar means mean whole square, that is xi minus 9 whole square. Here first xi is x1 is 6, second x2 is 7, x3 is 10. So we compute the values of xi. First 6, then 7, 10, 12. We get, if we putting 6, we get 6 minus 9 whole square, which is equal to 9. Similarly, we putting xi is 7, then we get 4. Others are similar way, we get 1, 9, 16, 25, 1 and 9 respectively. Step 3, the formula for variance is summation of xi minus mean whole square upon number of observations, that is 8. We get the summation is 74, the number of observation is 8, so we get, after simplify, the variance is 9.25. Now for another method or another formula for same problem, example 1, the observations are given as show. For another formula, we get some terms, that is xi square. Xi's are 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. So xi square corresponding 26, 49, 108, 144, 169, 16, 64, 144. The total is 722 and here xi total is 72. The variance is summation of xi square by n minus mean whole square. Mean, the formula is summation of xi by n. So if we compute here, the variance is summation of xi square by 8, so which is 722 by 8 minus 72 by 8 whole square. After simplify, we get variance is 9.25. The second term is the next variance and standard deviation. We already discussed about the variance and their formulas. So now we discuss about standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. So for finding standard deviation, we follows all steps of variance. Example 2, find the standard deviation of the observations are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similar way, step 1, we first find mean. We know that mean is the sum of observations by number of observations. So we get the mean is 3. Step 2, we find xi minus x bar whole square. X bar is the mean. We already find mean is 3. So xi minus 3 whole squares are 1 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, 3 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 3 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square. After simplify, we get these are 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 respectively. Step 3, the formula of variance is summation of xi minus mean whole square by n. After simplify, we get variance is 2. Hence, the standard deviation is root over variance, so which is root under 2. An important result. First, for first n natural number, the formula of variance is n square minus 1 by 12 and standard deviation is root over variance, so we get root over n square minus 1 by 12. This formula is work for first n natural number. Example, the variance and the standard deviation for the following data. These are the first 5 natural number, so we use n is 5. And the direct formula for variance is n square minus 1 by 12. So we get variance is 2, while Standard deviation is root over 2.